Guys, running Kimono here. So we're going to be talking about this coupon on Saturday, August the 8th over at the good old Dollar General. So it's a 5 off of 25. All of these digital coupons are also of a one-time use, and it's for that Saturday only. So I'm giving you like a preview for Saturday. So, just keep that in mind if you wanted to run out and do these deals today. It's not going to work. It has to be on Saturday, and there's some tremendous deals to be had and found. So going over a couple of ground rules with you, again, for the 100th time. Saturday, August the 8th only. Stop asking. You got to get to $25 before a single coupon is applied. So that Dollar General app to scan stuff in store to make sure it's ringing up for the cost that we're describing, that's absolutely critical. And remember, the digital coupons are a one-time use only. So if you use this 5 off of 25, you can't use it a second time on the same store card. So you'd have to use both yours, your husband's store card, your mother-in-law's, like just shake it up a little bit if you wanted to do a couple different transactions. Really pay attention when you're in the store. Use the Dollar General app and scan stuff, and bring an old-fashioned pad of paper and pen to keep a little ledger of what you're buying and the cost. It's just a little easier to figure it out that way. I'm here in Michigan, so these are Michigan prices. So if you're in a different part of the US, it might be more, it might be less. So just keep that in mind. Any really big surprises at checkout, avoid your transaction. You're allowed to do that, but just a couple ground rules to always keep in mind. Now, this is what the Dollar General app looks like. I have a tutorial I will link at the very end on how to use this app to scan stuff in store to make sure that coupons are attaching. And this is absolutely critical when you're out there shopping because you want a lot of success. You don't want to go there and, leave the store crying because you've overpaid by $19. So absolutely watch this video. It's amazing. So last weekend I did go out and I did a couple different transactions. If you want to follow me over on Instagram, my name is at the bottom of the screen. And guys, this is the sort of hauling I love to do for under $5. That is the magic of the Dollar General when you can do this, especially 2 times. Imagine paying $6.20 for $50 of merch. Yes, please, and thank you so much. A lot of you don't believe me. The receipt is right here. The proof is in the pudding. So the $3.10 for that basket. It doesn't get any better than that, and I just absolutely love shopping there on the weekend. So give my Instagram a follow. That's where I usually post my baskets, and if I have any issues, all of the information's over there on Instagram. Now, if you love the gain line, you are going to love this Saturday because with the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20, which is the new gain coupon for the month, there's just some amazing steals and deals to be had and found. I made a video earlier this week. Please check it out. I'll link it at the very end on the best use of this. And this is what the coupon looks like. As you can see, it's valid till the 29th of August. So if you don't want to go out this week, just load it. And to get $5 off a $20 basket, well, that is your Christmas and birthday wrapped up into one. I will be specifically doing a lot of deals with the gain line. So if you, again, it'll probably be on Instagram. Any hiccups or problems I have, I will absolutely let you guys know. But I am so excited for this Saturday. I can barely contain myself. Now, when you are in the store on Saturday, if you want to go to the clearance section, definitely be on the lookout. You might have to look high and low or even in a basket of stuff. But there's a lot of little things that are producing pretty good overage. And the freebie guy was posting about the raid, and I was specifically looking for that. I only found one, but hey, one is better than none. That's bringing up for a penny, this specific one. I'll show you the UPCs in a second. And then also some razors. This little razor pack was ringing up for a penny. And we have both digital coupons for both of these. So if you could throw it into a basket of $25 of merch, you can get a little bit of overage on your basket, which is fantastic. So this is what the 2 product looks like. One is a raid barrier. Again, shout out to the freebie guy. And the other one is this Gillette 5. It's a 4-count cartridge. I don't know why that was a penny, but it was. So these are both terrific items that I found yesterday. I am not the best penny shopper either. I don't know. I'm not very good at it, or I haven't hit a big one in a long time. This is for the razor. So if you want to try and find the same one, or even scan this with your phone to see if it's ringing up for a penny in your area, but definitely look in the clearance section. That's where I specifically found it. And this is the raid one. And yeah, it's really great. And I'm going to show you the overage here in a second of what I was getting on both of them. And remember, you need a filler item to grab your overage. They will not pay you cash over at the Dollar General. This is what the digital was for the razor. So I got $3.99 of overage, and it's this $4 off one. So hopefully you have that on your store card. So load both of them and just walk through the clearance aisle if you can find it. Make it happen. And we have this little 55 center. And it's valid till September the 30th. So even if you find it later, that's 54 cents of overage, which is winning. I know a lot of people have been hitting this penny stuff really hard, but if you know, live in a smaller town like yours truly, and you just take a leisurely stroll through the clearance aisle, you might find a couple of things. And I did, and I got like, you know, $4 and some change of overage. So that was really great. So just a little food for thought. Okay, digital deal number one. All of the deals we're presenting today are digital. You're going to need your cornerstone, which is the 5 off of 25. Please make sure you have that guy loaded. Now, in the medicine aisle, you're going to pick up 2 of these Rotos. It's an eye drop, and they are $4 a pop. It's not tagged at the store. It says $5, but they're actually 2 for $8. Shout out to Dollar General Savings with Saunders. She posted this on her Instagram last weekend. And it's a killer deal. Because they're $4 a pop, we have this wonderful 7 off of 2, so it drops it down to $1 for 2 eye drops. Now, if you can't find this because it's been cleared in your market or your store, as you can see, the expiry date there is October 29th of 2020. So they will restock between now and then. So definitely load the coupon. There's also a $3 one, but this is the specific one I would load for deals. And we're also going to grab one of these Bic Soleils for $3.30. On Sunday, there was a very generous $4 coupon that attaching to this specific razor. So it makes it free plus 70 cents of overage. And over at the good old Dollar General, you can do a lot with 70 cents of overage. So that's fantastic. We're going to grab in the school supply area or the stationery aisle, one of these Bic Fun pencils. They are exactly $1. And if you loaded this guy a couple weeks back, it's $1 off a Bic stationery product, zeroing it out to free. We're going to grab a box of the 3 count of the Kleenex. Here it's ringing up for $4.50. It might be different in your region, so double, triple check. We have this wonderful dollar coupon. So it's expiring on Saturday, so it's definitely a use it or lose it. We haven't seen a lot of great paper coupons, so I would buy it. Grab 1 bag of the Tide Simply Pods for $2.95, and then we have this wonderful $2 coupon that's affixing to it. And then we're going to grab a box of the Tampax Radiant for $4, and we're going to need this wonderful $2 coupon loaded. Alternatively, if you want to get the Always pads, there's also a $2 coupon for that one. Okay, and then we're going to be grabbing one of these Gain dish soaps for $2 on the nose, and then we have this wonderful 75-cent coupon that's attaching to it. Okay, guys, let's look at the math for this one. We have 2 of the Rotos at $4 a pop, that's $8. 1 Bic Soleil razor at $3.30. 1 Bic pencil for $1. 1 of the Kleenex 3 packs for $4.50. 1 Tampax for $4. 1 Tide Simply Pod for $2.95, and then 1 Gain dish soap for $2 on the nose. Adding all of that wonderful merchandise up together, that's a total of $25.75. Immediately after the Gain dish soap is scanned, you punch in your phone number right away. 5 off of 25, and then $17.75 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous is also coming off. So you're left with paying $3 out of pocket, not including your tax for the 8 items, and before tax is 37 cents per item. So this is absolutely, definitively extreme couponing to get this basket for 37 cents per item. That's amazing. Now, if you absolutely can't find any of that Roto, this is definitely a deal to consider. You're going to need your cornerstone, which is the 5 off of 25. Please make sure that you have that one loaded, guys. This is how you get the biggest savings. You need this coupon loaded. We're going to be grabbing a bag of the Love's diapers for $6.50. This wonderful $1.50 coupon appeared, so load that guy. And we're going to be grabbing a box of the Always pads for $4, and we're going to load this wonderful $2 coupon to your store card. Along with the Tampax Radiant is also $4, and you're going to load this wonderful $2 coupon. Now, let's not forget to scan everything in the store because all of the Always and Tampax products look quite identical to make sure that you're grabbing the right items that will affix with these coupons. And we're going to grab a 3-pack of the Kleenex priced at $4.50. We have this wonderful dollar coupon that's affixing to it. Some things are predictable. We're going to grab a Bic Soleil razor for $3.30. We have a wonderful $4 coupon that's attaching, giving 70 cents of overage. Hello. And then one of the Tide Simply products for $2.95. And this wonderful $2 coupon is attaching. Okay, guys, let's take a quick peek at the mathematics for this deal. So you're grabbing one of the Loves for $6.50. one of the Always for 4 on the nose, one of the Tampax for 4 on the nose, a box of, or a 3-pack of the Kleenex for $4.50, one Bic Soleil razor for $3.30, and then one Tide Simply Pods for $2.95. Adding all of that merchandise up together, you have a total of $25.25. So immediately after the cashier scans your Tide Simply Pods, you punch in your phone number. 5 off a $25 general Saturday and $12.50 of digitals are coming off. You're left with paying $7.75 out of pocket. This does not include your tax. $7.75 for the 6 items shakes it out to $1.29 per product. This right here is extreme couponing, and like what a wonderful basket of items, especially if you have baby or toddlers and diapers. $1.29 for a bag of diapers. It doesn't get any better than that. So this is a great deal. Okay, guys, final deal that we have for you. This is also a fantastic one with digitals. You need your cornerstone, which is the 5 off of 25. Please make sure you have that guy loaded, essential. So the first item that we're going to grab is one of the Gillette Venus razors for $7 on the nose. We have this wonderful $4 coupon that's attaching to it. We're also going to grab one of the men's packs for $8.50 of the Gillette disposable razors, and this wonderful $4 coupon is affixing to it. We're going to grab 2 of the Roto eye drops for $8. Remember, they're $4 a pop, and we have this wonderful 7 off of 2. Hello, so great. And then we're grabbing one of the Tide Simply products, and this wonderful $2 coupon is attaching. Okay, guys, let's look at the math. One Venus razor is $7. One of the Gillette razor disposable big pack is $8.50. 2 of the Roto eye drops at $4 a pop is $8, and then one of the Tide Simply Pods is $2.95. Adding all of that wonderful merchandise up together, that's a total of $26.45. You're punching in your phone number immediately after the Tide Simply Pods are scanned. The 5 off of 25 Saturday Dollar General coupons coming off, along with $17 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $4.45 out of pocket for the 5 items. This does not include your tax. It basically shakes out each item to 89 cents each. This is what it's absolutely about. So as always, guys, maybe give me a follow over on Instagram. I will definitely be posting more information on Saturday. I'm so excited for this Saturday because there's like endless deals. And even with the 5 off of 25, just some deals to be had and found. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.